hopefully it's going to dry out here soon, Damon.
Yeah, hopefully so, Annalisa. Not the greatest start. It almost looks and feels more like a Monday out there than it does a Tuesday. No question. Look at that gray sky back toward Roslyn right now. And we still have a few raindrops passing the camera if you look down toward some of the trees there. So still very soggy out there across D.C., much of the district, and just the entire DMV for that matter, as again we saw this line of steadier rain showers drop from north to south throughout the entire morning. We're still dealing with a couple of light raindrops, also some wet snowflakes back toward the I-68, I-70 interchange in parts of western Maryland, but the bulk of the steadier precipitation is now dissipating and moving off to our south. We'll have some slightly drier conditions through the end of the day today, but we're not totally done with this unsettled pattern. The front causing all of this is going to continue to linger just south of the area, and we're going to watch a couple of low pressure centers ride right along that and produce additional chances of precipitation as we get later into the night tonight and then later on this week as well. Now, the other big story here, temperatures have taken a tumble. Hard to believe yesterday we were all the way up in the low 60s. This afternoon, readings are mostly in the upper 30s to low 40s, and there is that significant change from yesterday, 15 to 20 degrees chillier in many locations. So this afternoon, you may not need the rain gear as much with these rain showers coming to an end. Temperatures will continue to drop, however, and then our next chance of precipitation comes tonight. And given that temps will be in the 20s, we could have our first snowfall of the year in D.C. All signs are pointing toward us being able to get that 1/10 of an inch to make that official, but it won't be enough snow to cause any major problems, just coating the grass and some of those rooftops out there. That would be about it. Now, the bigger story then beyond this Friday, we're going to see a very cold blast of air roll into the viewing area. Air temperatures will drop into the 20s for our highs Friday and Saturday, and wind chills Friday night could approach 0 degrees. It is going to get pretty cold out there, folks, and it's going to be a shock to the system a bit after how warm we have been. So we'll be tracking that cold for later this week, but let's check this out with the rest of the day today. There's those rain showers pushing off to the south. They will pretty much be behind us by the time we get into the late afternoon and early evening. And we do stay fairly quiet here into the start of the night, but watch as that next wave of precip rides right along that front, and notice we have more of that blue and pink. Now, Futurecast not bringing this as far north into the district, but I'm expecting that we do see some of that precipitation make it to at least the I-66 corridor, and that will lead to that possibility of a light coating of snowfall later tonight. But look at how that's gone by the time we hit 8 a.m. on your Wednesday, and then we do start to gradually clear things out from there into the day tomorrow. So still very unsettled with plenty of clouds as we head toward Thursday. Temperatures still hover in the upper 30s to low 40s, but there it is. Highs, low 30s, upper 20s to start the weekend, and lows even colder than that before we start to rebound back toward 50 degrees again by next Monday.